This is the elevator here at the Hilton Garden Inn in the Park Place area in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is in the north side. This is the other elevator. This was the first elevator before the 338s were installed. This is an Otis Series 1. And it's a nice one too. This is brass. Look at all the mirrors in this thing. Let's go to 3. Here we go. Here at 3. 1. Door goes button works. 88 foam. Get a good view of the COP. Get a cab view. It's a very nice cab. Look at all the mirrors in this thing. This is so cool. Hey there. See all of MKE in here in this thing. Here back at 1. Green indicator. 3,000 pound capacity. Series 1 buttons. We'll end the video at 3. Bit of a delay start. I had an old video of this thing before, but I lost it somehow. It might have re-leveled a bit. Oh, look at this. This must be an older Series 1 button. That's interesting. There it goes. Out of all the Series 1 I wrote it in this place, this is a nice one here. Alright, that'll be it.